Battle of the Spirit. Let the peace of God rule in your hearts. Colossians chapter 3 verse 15. When we examine the problems that confront us in our world today, we find that every one of them resolves into a problem of inner space, a problem of the dark side of the human spirit. From thousands of letters we receive, it is evident that a large proportion of the population is facing deep personal problems. They vary from person to person, but they do exist, and they are all problems of inner space. Yes, we are the people who have been conquering outer space, but are in danger of losing the battle of the Spirit. But there is a solution for millions. It has already been reached, and that solution is in Jesus Christ. He said, "My peace, my liberty, my freedom I give unto you," John 14:27. Today, if we will turn the searchlight of truth on the dark side of our human spirits and let Jesus Christ become the master control of our lives, a new day will dawn for us. Submit the inner space of your life to Him. Prayer for the day. How often I hurt deep down inside me, Lord, but the knowledge of your love and compassion brings me hope and peace.